Android or iPhone? Which one's better? Today, I'm breaking down tips, tricks, and real differences to help you decide. No fan wars, just facts. First up, customization. Android lets you change almost everything. Home screen layouts, widgets, icon packs, even default apps. iPhone, you get Apple's clean, consistent design, but with limited tweaks. Yes, you can do widgets now, but deep customization still leans Android. Tip: if you love personalizing your phone to match your style, Android wins here. iPhone has long-term updates. You can get 5+ years of iOS updates even on older models. With Android, it depends on the brand. Google, Samsung, and a few others now promise 4-7 years for their new flagships, but budget models? Sometimes just 1-2 years. Tip: if you keep your phone for many years, iPhone's update support might be worth it. Apple's ecosystem is super polished. Your iPhone, Mac, iPad, and Apple Watch all sync perfectly. AirDrop, iMessage, FaceTime, seamless. Android offers more variety. You can connect with Windows PCs, Chromebooks, smart TVs, and even foldables. Tip: if you already own other Apple products, iPhone makes sense. But if you mix and match brands, Android is more flexible. Android phones can pack big batteries, crazy fast charging, high refresh screens, and multiple cameras, even at mid-range prices. iPhones focus on consistency, amazing cameras, smooth performance, and years of reliability, but usually at a higher cost. Tip: if you're on a budget, Android has more options. If you want a premium experience and can spend more, iPhone delivers. At the end of the day, it's not about which phone is better, it's about which one is better for you. If you want total control, more hardware options, and better value, go Android. If you want simplicity, longer updates, and a polished ecosystem, go iPhone. So, which side are you on? Team Android or Team iPhone? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips.